Hi, this is May's Design Corner, and I am doing a collab summertime, summer day high tea party. This is a summer day high tea party is the name of the collab, and the collab is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Decorate with Jazzy Green, and Sandy Lynn's Home Garden, and Debbie Bubbles. So they asked us to do a summer day high tea party, and I did mine in blue and silver because I think that blues, the real light dark blues, look so pretty on a table, and my teacups are in silver wheat. So, without further ado, let me tell you about the Lord, and then we will move on to my summer day high tea party table. Please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is alive and well, and that this is God's world. No matter what it looks like and what's going on, God is the author and the finisher of this world, and the author and finisher of our life. Prayer really works, y'all. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go down and share with you my summer day high tea party. And once again, I'm going to give you the hostesses, and they are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Decorating with Jazzy Green, Sandy Lynn Home Garden, and Debbie Bubbles. So here we go. Here is my summer day high tea party. To God be the glory. And as you can see, I have my teacups here. These are my teacups. And across each teacup, I have a teaspoon for you to use to stir your tea. And on this end, I have a faux cake here to be served with the tea. And this is my teacups here. Here is the spoon here. And this is the teacup here. And y'all, everything I've been using on my videos, I already had these things. I've been having them for years. So there's nothing I had to go out and buy. This is just what I had in my home. My home looks like a garage sale, believe me. And this is the other teacup here. And here I have some little faux cupcakes here on the table as well for the guests. And this is my tablecloth here. It's a sequined blue tablecloth. I think it looks good against the silver cups. And there is my picture for my cream right there. It matches the teacups and the saucers exactly. And here on this side, I repeated. You see another um, um, teacup and saucer there. And then here we have another cake here, another faux cake here to go along with your tea. And here we have a flower sitting here, and we have a star sitting here because you are the star of the summer day high tea party. And this is my floral arrangement here. It is a DIY as well. So this is my summer high tea party collab. And I thank you so very much for looking at it. And I hope that you all go down that playlist and check everybody out on that playlist, because you know what? As I keep telling you, these people are doing some great things and trying to show you some beautiful things. And they do some beautiful tablescapes and some beautiful creations just for you to look at. So please go down that playlist, check each host and hostesses out, and see what they have done for you. This is May's Design Corner saying thank you for looking at my high tea, and I hope that you got some inspirations from looking at my high tea. This is May's Design Corner saying please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is alive and well. And honey, this is God's world. Tee up. I do.